Hey guys, Aisha here, and today I finally got a chance to do one of my favorite looks from one of my favorite movies of all time, and that would be Coraline. So I can't wait to show you what I did. Alright, to start off, I just did a simple makeup look, just because really had no reason, just felt like it. Felt like it needed some sort of makeup, even though she doesn't wear any makeup because she's like 12. But I just wanted to do a simple makeup look, so I went ahead and applied foundation, highlighter, set it, all that good stuff. It was super simple. And I used the Born This Way Too Faced foundation as well as the setting powder, which was actually really good. And the Laura Mercier setting powder as well. Then I went ahead, did my eyebrows, just filled them in a bit, which I thought was kind of weird that her hair was blue but her brows were like brown, but meh. Okay, so next I went in and contoured and highlighted a little bit using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Cinnamon, Suede, and Espresso. And I did a simple eye look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. And in this look, I used the Wet n Wild multi-purpose stick. It was something new. I just saw it at Walmart during the Halloween season. So I went ahead and got it just to try it out. And they're pretty cool. It didn't crease or anything, and it blended out really well. And really, I could have used a lot less because a little went a long way. And that was the multi-stick in red. I also got in a few other colors. I think I got green and gold as well. So next for the freckles, I used this Beauty Bakery eyeliner in dark brown, which worked pretty well. And then I used a ColourPop Lippy for lip. Oops. I just applied that pretty lightly. And everything, the wig, the clip, everything, I got that from Amazon. So now for the fun stuff. I went ahead and of course glued down my eyebrow to protect my eyebrow in this look. And then I went ahead and applied latex around my eye, but making sure to steer clear of my eye, make sure nothing got in it. And then I applied tissue around that and more latex. And the button I also got from Amazon. And pretty much the latex held the button in place, but you could use an adhesive if you really needed to. I didn't find it necessary, so I didn't. But I did make sure to build up the tissue and latex and everything, and as you'll see soon, I'm going to put cotton around it as well, just to build it up to make sure it's like up off my eye, so that I could actually open my eye. Because I don't know, I don't like walking around, or I wouldn't want to walk around with one eye closed all night if I were to use this as like a Halloween costume or anything. So I made sure to build it up so that I could actually have my eye open behind the button. Okay, in this scene, I am adding the thread in the little holes of the button. You can do this before or after you paint it. I decided to do it before just to see how it will look. And then I went ahead and started painting it using my favorite Maron bruise wheel that I use for pretty much every FX look I do, almost. And I've had this for over a year now, probably about 2 years, and I've just started hitting the pan on it maybe a couple months ago. So it's really good and lasts a really long time. And then I went in and used the Graftobian blood paste and applied some blood around that. And then I added this really cool ring coat I got off Amazon. And that was the finished look. And this little doll, I forgot where I got this pop doll from. I'm pretty sure I ordered it off Amazon. I order everything off Amazon. I'm pretty sure I got it off Amazon. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm glad I finally got to do this look. I've been thinking about doing it for a while. So I'm glad I finally got around to doing it. I hope you enjoyed. I did have a lot of fun doing it. And I'm super happy with the way it came out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.